So guys, on this episode, we are doing the exhaust on the X5. The exhaust that is currently on the 4.4 right now is the OEM exhaust, but I have electric cutouts underneath. They were some nice China-made electric cutouts, and they nicely broke. And they broke open, thank goodness. Or, I don't know if that's good or bad, but it's got a deep rumble to it, but now they're leaking, and the valves rattle, and a whole bunch of stuff. So we're going to be replacing the entire rear muffler section with some new items. Okay guys, well, as you can see, these little beautiful spring tensioner bolts are what need to come off. And we have on the front is I believe a 9/16, right? Yeah, 9/16 on the front, and it's a 13 on the back to get the bolt off the back of this. So I already broke the bottom two loose just to get why is that not so let's get these off, and then we can move to the back and get the rear hangers off, then we can drop the whole exhaust, guys. So guys, quick break time. For you, this is like instantaneous. For me, this was a couple hours. I took a break on the X5, taking the exhaust off. Where we left off, taking the bolts off, I soaked them because they were pretty rusty, so I soaked them. And while they were soaking, I ran out to the junkyard, guys. They have a 4.4 out there, which is what this one is, and near had almost complete on all the body. I was able to grab all the front grille pieces, the hood grille pieces. Mine are starting to fade, so I got those. Some fog light covers. I have some plans for that, so you guys just wait for that. But back here, as you can see, I hit a deer. Oh God, probably a year ago, hit a deer, and it shattered all the grille pieces. Well, I was able to pick new ones up off the 4.4 out there for dirt cheap, guys. I got all that for 60 bucks, which will complete the whole front end, and it'll be great. It's gonna look good, guys. Really gonna be complete the front end of this, since we're doing so much maintenance on this thing today. So let's jump back under, and we are going to finish taking off the bolts for the exhaust. So back under the car and back to work, guys. So let's get this stuff off so we can get the new stuff on. So to get the last bolt, spring bolt thing off the exhaust for that side, this side has to come out so I can have access, because of the way that thing is on top. There's no way to get to the actual bolt to loosen it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this left side out here and pull it off so we can access that side, and then we'll pull it all together and go get the new exhaust. Gotta get these off. The exhaust hanger is a 13, and it mounts to the back side of the motor mount. I mean, not motor mount, body mount, suspension subframe bolt. So we will loosen these, and there's one here, and there's actually, oh god, is that one loose? Oh, that one seems loose already. And there's another one up under here, which we're gonna have to take this little piece off, drop this down so we can access that second bolt. But let's get to it, pull this off so we can slide this out and get rid of this exhaust. So guys, that literally just fell off. As soon as I took the bolts off, we're gonna cut this, I don't know what this wire here. Oh, well, that came right off. So that's that cheap China bullshit. So let's push this forward, drop this out of the, this thing could pop off, I think. I don't know. We're gonna finagle this thing around here and get it out. It is officially out. Woohoo! As you can see, some beautiful cheap China-made electric cutouts that I had put in, which turned out to be shit. But now we are free and clear. Time to go get that last one out and pull this side out, and we can get the new stuff in. Time to get this second side out, which is a repeat of the other side, guys. It's out. Gotta cut some of these wires off. These are all fucking wires to the whatchamacallit. Cut all these. All wires to the electric cutouts, which, as you can tell, are literally Japanese crap. So guys, that's what they look like before, and now this is what they look like now. And this is what's going in, guys. It is a Remus exhaust specifically for the 4.4 X5s, guys. So amazing. Let's get them installed. Next you'll see are these installed on this. So guys, as you can see, we have our exhaust installed. It's nice and tight. It's put in there, it's everything. I'm gonna start it, give you guys a sound clip of what it sounds like now, which it sounds a lot quieter and a lot better. So here we go. So guys, as you can tell, it's a lot better than it was. No more rattle. And that, guys, is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Go get yourself the holiday sticker off the website. And I will see you guys next video.